Hey everyone, I want to share how I decreased my load time from 5.5 seconds to 2.5 seconds, basically by minifying the JavaScript on my WordPress website. So real quick, what I do is every time WordPress has an update for my theme, the code gets expanded because that's just how the update goes. You have to minify the JavaScript. So when you go into Appearance, you go to Theme Editor, and then you go into your JavaScript section. So each of these files right here, for example, can have a minify JavaScript. So what does that mean? So if you wanted to take this entire code right here and you copy it, and then you use a tool, jscompress.com, paste it in, compress JavaScript. Now what you do is you go back here and you copy everything, you delete it, and then you paste in this new compressed file right here. So you just copy this, you save it right there, you go to update file. So this is a pretty small one, but if you go to other pages like my info page, for example, or if you go to, if you go to this one, the image is loaded, this is one I did before. The amount of JavaScript that has been compressed now has been many rows of individual data now all compressed. So if I want to go to the next one, so info pages or info page, it's the same steps. You want to go back into JS compress. So I should just refresh the page and just start a new one. Now I'm going to copy all this code right here. Copy. Go here. Paste. Compress. Go back here, you delete this, copy it, oops, and then paste it again, and then you click update. And then the site that I use is GTmetrix.com, so if you want to kind of replicate that for your own site, you just go to GTmetrix, and then you put in your site. Now, one thing to remember is that you probably need to clear your cache. So what that means is if you're using a platform like GoDaddy and you have access to completely clear the cache, you should, because you want to update those settings of which you just compressed to then basically do it before and after. So that's what I did again right here within my notes. So at 11:35, I ran it at 5.5 seconds, and then going through my JavaScript files, I was able to reduce it down to 2.5. The page speed score increased from 82 to 93. The Y slow score as well improved as well from 72 to 84. So thank you very much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.